Hello friends, I'm Ahmed and today I'm going to tell you how I edit my Instagram account, and I'm going to tell you about an app that's absolutely free to download, and I call it my mini Photoshop because it's very simple to use. You can edit any photo in about just 2 minutes. Okay, so let's dig into it. Okay friends, so I'm going to tell you how you can simply edit the photos using an app. Okay, the name of the app is Phonto. You can search it on App Store or Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Okay, Phonto. It's absolutely free to download and all of its features are free. You can see this app on the red, and I already have downloaded this app. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here's the Phonto app, and what I do is I select the photo that I want to edit. Okay, I'm going to select this photo. Okay, so okay, done. And if we see that in this app there are many different options. If I add the items, I can add anything from here. Okay, so there are many items over here, and in the second section you can choose the item you want to add accordingly. Okay, so what I do is I add this square box, and I increase the size, and you can see that you can also decrease this alpha. Like if I am increasing its alpha, so the reflection on the backside of the image is decreased, and if I decrease it, so we can see our image more clear. Okay, so there are many other features in this app, like I can add any image in this app. Like if I'm going to add another image. Okay, done. And the size is okay, this size. Okay, so and after that, what I do is I add some text over here, and I will show you that later on. And I also add my logo in the image. So here's my logo. I can show you that I can easily edit my logo, the size of my logo. I'm gonna put the logo over here. Okay, so there are many different more functions that you can change the theme accordingly like you want. There are many different things in this app. You can check them and edit the photo according to you. The thing I like of this app is it's very simple to use, and that's why I called it my mini Photoshop, and it's a Photoshop in my mobile phone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the feature of the text over here. Okay, so I'm gonna write. Okay, I'm gonna write good night. Good night. Okay, so if I search about the text, there are many different fonts. You can choose the font you like. Okay, there are about hundreds of different fonts. Whatever font you like, you can choose from here. And most of the fonts here are of very good quality. Like I'm gonna choose this font. Okay, and I'm gonna put some shadow on the back side of the image. We can also put the shadow. You can play around. You can change the space between the text and between the letters as well, as you like, as you want to edit. It's very simple to use, and you can even blur the shadow, and you can even change the view of the shadow from the back side of the text. So it's very simple to use, and it's absolutely free to download. Okay, and you can edit any image you want according to your niche. It's very simple, and you can play around and you can see some more functions in that app. Okay, friends, thanks for watching my video. And if you are looking to earn online, and you want to go from $0 to $10,000 in about 30 days, I have a professional training for you in selling other people's product. You can find the link below this video in the description. And if the information in this video is helpful for you, like my video and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.